What's good, scholars? It's your girl Gabby here, and I am back with another video. So this channel is not dedicated to beauty, right? Which I definitely could have went that route, but because of my experiences, because of what I've been through, because of what I've realized that I'm passionate about, I decided to do this kind of channel. And what people don't realize, for me, what kept me going for 4 years is knowing your why, right? Why are you here? Your freshman year going in, you should know, what is my major goal for being at this university? What is my major goal for being at this college, for studying what I'm studying? Why am I here, right? Because if you know your why, that's what's gonna keep you the entire college career when things are bad, when you get a D on that test. Different. And they generated that financial aid letter based off of the information that you posted on your FAFSA. So if that information is not necessarily true anymore, then it's definitely smart to go ahead and do an appeal with that school, right? And when you are in a serious, committed relationship, when you're a freshman, sophomore in college, it becomes really hard, I think, to really get to know yourself, to really get to know what you like, what you don't like. And a lot of people, and it became very, very hard for me to get out of bed on most days. And I've dealt with depression before, so I know what the signs are, and I definitely was. Don't forget that with preparation and with a positive attitude, you really can do anything. That's all I've got to say for right now, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.